Hey, in this video we are going to explain how we can customize the bar charts here in MS Project. Before we are going to proceed with this point, we need to know we have a three option. It's very important to focus on it before we move on. For example, if you need to show the outline numbers of your task in the right way or in the right schedule. Also, if you need to show the project summary as a general summary for all the summary tasks. So these three options, as you can see here in the right panel, we have first one, the outline number. So if you check the outline number, as you can see here in the task name, we have the outline of each task, and this is represents by the first the ID of the task actually, and the second one depend on the phases or the summary. Okay, so for now we have a task the start by the one outline, then we have a summary number one, which is the phase one. So the outline here is 2. And now you have a task as the sub of the phase 1, which is task 1 to task 3. Right now is 2.1. So automatically MS Project set the outline of your task here, and this is help us to show the general outline of our task here in MS Project. The second one is the project summary. As you can see, project summary, its default task, which is the first task the MS Project will be added by default, and it shows us the task name, which is the project name, and the full duration of your project, and right now it's 11 days, and the start and finish of our project in general. Okay, so this feature is very important when we complete all the tasks. So we need to show the overview of our project with the name, duration, start and finish. So now let's move on to focus how we can customize the bar as you can see in the bar chart. For example, if I'm going to show the text that represent the start of the task here in the left, and in the right I need to show the end or finish of the task. Also, for example, if I need to show the duration of the task here inside the task on the top, for example, the task name, or any information that can represent here in the Gantt chart bar. So okay, to do that, you can directly go here to format and select bar styles, or right click here in the workspace of the Gantt chart. And next, as you can see, we have many options that's related to the customization. For example, the grid line, the bar styles, and the layout. And now you select the bar styles. Okay. Now, in general, MS Project represents each type of the task with the specific view. For example, the task, the split, the milestone. Okay, each one it appears with the appearance as a shape, also the color and the type in general. Okay, so first you need to select the type of the task in general, or the object. You need to change it here in the Gantt chart visualization. Next, as you can see, we have two options or two tabs to change or to customize this object. The first one is the bars, and then the second one is the task. In the bars, you can see we can change the shape, type, and color for start of the bar, and the middle and the end of the bar. Okay, So the shape, it's the shape that represents this bar. The type, it's the type of the bar in general, for example the solid or dashes and so on. And the color of this bar in the start. Okay, we duplicate these things in the middle and end. Okay, right now I'm going to keep the default values or default style for the task object. Okay, so let's move to the task. In the task, as you can see, we can set the text in the left, right, top, bottom, and inside. So for example, if I need to set the start of this task here in the left, I just going here and type start. Okay, in this box, I'm going to change this to start. In the right, I'm going to set the finish. In top, for example, name. And in bottom, okay, I left it blank. Okay, so as you can see, MS Project show us here in the Gantt chart bar the start date of this task in the left, the finish date in the right, and the name of the task appear as in top of this task. Okay, for example, if I need to show the duration of this task inside the bar, I just go back to the bar styles, select the task, then go to the text here inside, change it to the duration, then you click OK. So as you can see, MS Project show us the duration of the task here inside the task.